What's up, guys? Welcome back to Finance to Fly. My name is Luke and I'm here to help you elevate your travel while minimizing your spending. Today we're going to be starting something new, and from every Thursday from now on we're going to be doing kind of a card wrap up of what happened in the points and miles game over the last week. Kind of keep you up to pace on what's changing, what I think is worth value and looking at, stuff like that. So the first topic that I do want to cover, it's a couple weeks old, but I feel like it's good to cover, is the Chase Sapphire Preferred Elevated Offer. I don't know how long this is going to be active, but it's 60,000 points and a $300 travel credit after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. This is an incredible offer to take advantage of, as you get really straight off the bat, if you just redeem through the travel portal, $1,050 in value. If you want this card, definitely go get it right now. This is probably the best sign-up bonus we'll see for a long time on this card. Also, within the last week, Citi has launched a new elevated offer on the business card for American Airlines. This is going to be a 75,000 miles after $5,000 spent in the first 5 months. It's a pretty good offer, especially if you're eligible for it. Kind of a standard elevated offer for Citi, and if you get it, you get 80,000 American Airlines miles, which can get you pretty much anywhere in the world, which is nice. Lastly, I'm not sure when this sign-up bonus went live, but currently on the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited, there's currently a 90,000 point sign-up bonus after the first 6,000 spent in the first 3 months, and the intro APR period of 0% for 12 months. Everything is 1.5% cash back on this card, so in the end, if you hit the sign-up bonus, you're gonna have 99,000 Chase points. I think it's a solid way to get some Chase points, to stack up those points and be able to transfer those over to transfer partners. Moving on to transfer partners, Bilt has added 2 new transfer partners, Tap Portugal and Accor Limitless. Tap Portugal will be able to transfer at 1-to-1 ratio as of right now, and then Accor Limitless, you transfer at a 3-to-2 ratio. I think this Accor Limitless transfer is pretty good, considering the other programs, Citi and Capital One, transfer at a 2-to-1 ratio, so you're getting a little bit extra value transferring your Bilt points over there. I'm not sure how much these will be useful in the points game, as Tap Portugal really has some bad redemption rates, and you can redeem through other Star Alliance airlines to get over to Europe for a much better rate. And then the Accor Limitless one, I think it's interesting because in basic value, 2,000 Accor Limitless points is worth around 40 euros, which gets you a solid 1.33 euro, I guess, it's like the European cent per point for Bilt points, which is a solid ground value, and with the conversion rate to USD, that's about 1.46 cents per point as of right now. More transfer partner news. Amex has launched a transfer bonus to KLM and Air France's Flying Blue for 20% bonus points until November 10th. If you can take advantage of this and the promo awards, you can get an economy award flight to Europe for 12,500 miles or a business class award for just over 31,000 miles. Now for some hotel news, Marriott Ambassadors and Titanium Elite members can status match to Aeroplan's 25K status, while Aeroplan's Super Elite 75K and 50K can match to Marriott's Gold status. I think this benefits more of the Marriott Elites than the Aeroplan Elites, because I think the 25K is worth more than the Gold status with Marriott, because you can get Gold status with Marriott through pretty much every hotel card they have. Now to catch up what I've been doing over the past few weeks, I did take a Breeze flight and I flew in their Ascent first class, I guess, flight. It was an 1.5-hour flight. You know, they had good service, the seats are nice, but is it worth it? $30 I paid for it to upgrade to that. I guess I say it's worth it. Originally, I didn't even pick a seat on the flight, so if I wanted to pick a seat on the flight, it would have been like $15 minimum. So picking $30 to sit in first class, it was nice. You know, I would recommend it only if it's $25-30 to pay for. I also flew through Atlanta and I got some footage of the Centurion Lounge as I was waiting through there. That place is definitely incredible. I would definitely check it out, and check out some of the footage right now of when I was there. And if you're traveling through Atlanta, I definitely would recommend checking it out. But all in all, what do you think of this new video structure? Do you like it? Let me know down in the comments below. Have you been to the Atlanta Centurion Lounge? Have you done Breeze Ascent flights? What do you think of the transfer bonus to Flying Blue? Let me know down in the comments below, and if you hit that like and subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated. Until next time, have a great day.